everybody, welcome back to my channel. Before I jump into it, don't forget to subscribe and like. So as you know, right now it's spring and fashion is going out. Basically all winter clothes is being packed away and spring clothes is coming out. Now we just had a snowfall yesterday, so I'm going to keep some of my sweaters and long sleeves handy just in case if we get another dose of this Arctic flash that we're experiencing. But today I'm going to show you how I reorganize my closet. I'm going to organize this add-on closet from winter to summer, spring, right? So right now it's a mess, especially when you're on a busy schedule and you have all these classes you need to make it to, work on time and all that stuff. You tend to just hang things up in any order and sort of miss the ability to clean it and keep it nice and neat. So what I'm going to be doing now is cleaning it, switching all of my clothes. That's just some of it. Yeah, I'm watching Black Lightning at the same time. Woo woo, good show. I'm going to be cleaning this out and reorganizing, folding, and switching for season switch. So right now, this is what it looks like. I have some sweaters, my favorite, Patagonia. I thrifted that, by the way. Yeah, so I have all sweaters in here right now. And I have all t-shirts and like thin stuff, intimates, denim, and activewear. It's a hot mess right now because I've been back and forth, different cities and dealing with school. And then as well as my closet here, it's all winter, all sweaters, and my purse collection, which I am so proud of. I love bags, which I'm also gonna clean. It's somewhat organized already, but I just need to fold them down and place them properly. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to speed through how I organize everything, and then I'm going to talk a bit about it at the end. Stay tuned. As you can tell, I love my denim jackets. As I've already started to do so this one's still messy, but started folding down my sweaters. So what I decided to do is to take my denim that's down here, my pants, and place it in this closet. So denim and my bottoms will be in this closet, and my shirts and sweaters, tops will be here. And the reason why I'm doing this is to be able to maximize the space and the outfits that I put together. So when I put those outfits together, it'll be like, okay, boom, one stop in that closet, and then second stop in my extra closet that I have here. as you can see, I've finally finished. It took me about 3 hours of just consistently working. This is how I did it. So I organized the piles. I got rid of everything that was in this extended closet and I put it on my bed. And then I sorted through the denim and the pants, what needed to be hung. And then I hung them and placed them in there, so that cleared up the pile that was on the bed. And then as for this closet, everything that was in this closet and in storage that I wanted to bring out, I brought it out. I put t-shirts in one area, long sleeves in one area, my denim jackets. Yes, I have 3, a little bit obsessive, but I put those together. And then more of like the sweaters and hoodies over on this side. As the weather is warming up, I am able to sort of get more into the spring attire. Why I do this is because I start to run out of ideas of what to wear as the weather changes and I forget what I have. I have so much clothes and I like to switch over in spring, summer, winter, and fall, all of the seasons, just to make sure that I have the clothing items that I want to be out and that I wear mostly. Staple pieces especially, they usually stay year round, like my denim jackets. I keep those around for fall, winter, spring, and summer. As for my denim, I wanted to get this out because it was taking up a lot of room being folded down. So I hung them up and now they have a home. So it's going to be a lot quicker to pick out outfits because I have my denim separated from, or my bottoms separated from my tops, which this includes skirts as well. I didn't get a chance to hang all of my skirts just simply because I don't have enough hangers. I reused all my hangers that were bought with items. I like to recycle them and keep them in motion, and as well as the wire hangers. I tried to get rid of as much plastic hangers because they're thicker and the wire hangers are thinner, so it gives me a chance to be able to hang more in my closet. Yeah, so comment down below if this was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope that you have as much fun as I did switching over my winter wardrobe to my summer wardrobe. Till next time.